Welcome everyone. Today we are going to talk about something that millions of people around the world want to achieve, speaking English fluently. Many people spend years studying English. They memorize grammar rules, learn vocabulary lists, and watch many lessons. Yet when the moment comes to actually speak, they feel nervous, stuck, or unsure about what to say. This happens to many learners. They understand English when they read or listen, but speaking feels difficult. Words disappear from their mind. Sentences feel slow. Confidence becomes weak. And because of this, many people start believing that speaking English fluently is only possible for people with special talent. But the truth is very different. Fluency is not about talent. Fluency is about practice. It is about building a habit of using the language every day. The more your brain interacts with English, the more natural it becomes. Just like learning to ride a bicycle or learning to swim, speaking English becomes easier through repeated experience. But here is the challenge many learners face. They do not always have someone to practice with. Maybe their friends do not speak English. Maybe they live in a place where English is not commonly spoken. Maybe they feel shy speaking with strangers. Because of this, their practice becomes limited. Fortunately, today we live in a time where technology can help us overcome this problem. One powerful tool that many learners are now using is ChatGPT. ChatGPT can become a daily conversation partner that helps you practice speaking, thinking, and expressing yourself in English. And while you listen to this video, you are also improving your English naturally. If you enjoy learning English through meaningful ideas like this, make sure to subscribe and join us for more videos where we explore simple ways to improve your English and your thinking at the same time. In this video, we will explore a powerful daily method you can use with ChatGPT to improve your English speaking skills. This method is simple, practical, and something you can practice every day. If you follow these steps with patience and consistency, your confidence and fluency will slowly begin to grow. The first idea you must understand is that fluency begins with thinking in English. Many learners try to translate every sentence from their native language into English before they speak. This creates a delay in the mind. The brain becomes busy translating instead of communicating. When you practice speaking with ChatGPT, you can train your mind to think directly in English. Instead of translating, you begin forming simple thoughts in English. At first this may feel slow or uncomfortable. But over time your brain adapts. Words begin to appear faster. Sentences become smoother. One simple way to practice this is by starting a conversation with ChatGPT about your daily life. For example, you can ask questions like, "How can I describe my daily routine in English?" or "Can you help me practice speaking about my hobbies?" Then try to answer these questions out loud. Speaking out loud is extremely important. Many learners only read or type in English, but they rarely move their mouth to speak the language. Your brain learns speaking through physical practice. When you speak out loud, your brain connects thoughts with pronunciation and rhythm. Another powerful method is to ask ChatGPT to simulate conversations. For example, you can say, "Let's practice a conversation at a coffee shop," or "Pretend you are a job interviewer and ask me questions." ChatGPT can create realistic situations where you respond in English. These simulated conversations help your brain prepare for real-life situations. The more you practice these scenarios, the more comfortable you become when similar situations happen in real life. Your mind becomes familiar with the vocabulary and structure needed for everyday communication. Another important habit is expanding your vocabulary naturally through conversation. Many learners try to memorize long vocabulary lists, but those words are often forgotten because they are not used in context. Real learning happens when words are connected to real ideas and situations. When you talk with ChatGPT, you can ask questions like, "How can I say this sentence more naturally?" or "What are better words to express this idea?" ChatGPT can show you alternative ways to express the same thought. This expands your vocabulary without overwhelming your mind. For example, if you say, "I am very tired today," ChatGPT might suggest other expressions such as, "I feel exhausted," or "I had a long day." When you see these variations during real conversation practice, they become easier to remember. Another powerful technique is storytelling. Storytelling activates creativity and language skills at the same time. You can ask ChatGPT to give you a simple topic and then try to tell a short story in English about it. For example, ChatGPT might say, "Tell me about a memorable day in your life." When you describe experiences, your brain practices organizing thoughts, choosing vocabulary, and building sentences naturally. At first, your story may feel simple or slow, but that is completely normal. The goal is not perfection. The goal is progress. One of the biggest barriers to fluency is the fear of making mistakes. Many learners hesitate to speak because they worry about grammar errors or incorrect pronunciation. But mistakes are a natural part of learning any language. Every fluent speaker today once made thousands of mistakes while learning. Practicing with ChatGPT creates a safe environment where you can experiment with language without fear of embarrassment. You can ask for corrections, explanations, or suggestions without feeling judged. This removes emotional pressure and allows your mind to relax. Relaxation is extremely important for learning. When your brain feels safe and calm, it processes information more effectively. Confidence grows slowly through repeated positive experiences. The more you practice speaking, the less intimidating it becomes. Another useful exercise is daily reflection. At the end of each day, you can open ChatGPT and talk about what happened during your day. Describe your experiences, your thoughts, or something interesting you learned. This simple habit builds a powerful speaking routine. Daily reflection trains your brain to organize thoughts quickly in English. Instead of searching for ideas, you simply describe real experiences from your life. This creates authentic language practice that feels meaningful. Another advantage of using ChatGPT is personalized learning. Every learner has different strengths and weaknesses. Some people struggle with pronunciation. Others struggle with grammar or vocabulary. ChatGPT can adapt to your specific needs. You can say things like, "Please correct my grammar," or "Help me improve my pronunciation." You can also ask ChatGPT to simplify explanations if something feels confusing. This flexibility allows you to design a learning experience that fits your pace. Consistency is the most important factor in fluency. Many learners study intensely for a few days and then stop practicing for weeks. Language learning requires regular exposure. Even 15 or 20 minutes of daily speaking practice can create powerful improvement over time. Think about it like exercise for your mind. When you exercise regularly, your body becomes stronger. When you practice English regularly, your brain becomes faster and more confident with the language. Another powerful idea is listening and repeating. You can ask ChatGPT to write short dialogues or explanations. Then read those sentences aloud several times. Repetition helps your brain become comfortable with sentence patterns and pronunciation. Over time, these patterns become automatic. You no longer need to think carefully about every word. Your mouth and mind begin to cooperate naturally, which is exactly what fluency feels like. It is also helpful to set small goals. Instead of saying, "I want to become fluent quickly," focus on daily progress. For example, today you might practice speaking for 10 minutes. Tomorrow you might practice describing a topic for 15 minutes. Small improvements build confidence. Confidence builds motivation. Motivation keeps you practicing. And practice slowly transforms your ability. Remember that fluency is not about speaking perfectly. Even native speakers sometimes pause, repeat words, or correct themselves. Fluency simply means expressing your thoughts clearly and comfortably. The journey of learning English should not feel like a stressful obligation. It should feel like an exploration. Each conversation teaches you something new. Each mistake shows you where you can grow. When you begin using ChatGPT as a daily speaking partner, you are creating a consistent environment for growth. Every conversation strengthens your confidence. Every question expands your understanding. Every sentence moves you closer to fluency. One day you may notice something surprising. You will start thinking in English without trying. You will speak longer sentences without hesitation. Conversations will feel more natural. These moments are signs that your brain is adapting. Fluency is not a sudden transformation. It is a result of many small moments of practice and learning. Each day you invest a little time, and those small efforts slowly build a powerful skill. Your English journey is not about competing with others. It is about becoming better than you were yesterday. Every word you learn, every conversation you practice, and every mistake you overcome moves you forward. So start simple. Open ChatGPT. Begin a conversation. Ask questions. Tell stories. Practice daily. Speak out loud. Stay patient with yourself. Your progress may feel slow at first, but with consistency your confidence will grow stronger every day. And one day you will realize something wonderful. Speaking English no longer feels like a challenge. It feels natural. Your journey toward fluency begins with a single conversation. And the best time to start that conversation is today. As you continue practicing, you will begin to notice small but meaningful improvements in the way you communicate. At first, your sentences may feel simple, and you may pause often while searching for the right words. This is completely normal. Every learner goes through this stage. What matters is not how perfect your sentences sound, but how consistently you keep practicing. Each time you speak, Your brain is building new connections that make the language easier to use. Another powerful advantage of practicing with ChatGPT is that you can explore many different topics. You can talk about your hobbies, your favorite books, movies, travel experiences, or even your goals for the future. The more topics you discuss, the more vocabulary you naturally learn. This kind of learning is much more effective than memorizing words from a list because your brain connects those words with real ideas and emotions. You can also ask ChatGPT to challenge you with new questions. For example, you might ask it to ask you 5 questions about your daily life or about a topic like technology, education, or personal growth. When you answer these questions out loud, you practice organizing your thoughts quickly. Over time, this improves your ability to respond naturally in real conversations with other people. Another helpful habit is reviewing your conversations. After practicing with ChatGPT, you can read the responses again and notice new words or sentence patterns. Try repeating some of those sentences aloud. This strengthens your memory and helps you understand how English is used in real communication. Slowly, these patterns become familiar, and you start using them without even thinking. It is also important to be patient with yourself during this process. Learning a language is a journey that requires time and persistence. Some days you may feel confident and expressive, while other days you may struggle to find the right words. These ups and downs are a normal part of learning. The key is to keep moving forward without losing motivation. Another powerful way to use ChatGPT is by asking it to correct your sentences. After you say something, you can ask, "Can you show me a more natural way to say this?" Or, "Can you correct my grammar?" By seeing the improved version of your sentence, you learn how to express the same idea more clearly. Over time, these corrections help you develop a stronger sense of the language. Confidence plays a huge role in speaking fluently. Many people actually know enough English to communicate, but they hesitate because they doubt themselves. Regular practice removes this hesitation. The more conversations you have, even with an AI tool, the more comfortable you become expressing your thoughts. Gradually, fear disappears and confidence grows. Eventually, something remarkable begins to happen. English stops feeling like a subject you study and starts feeling like a tool you use. You begin using it to share ideas, ask questions, learn new things, and connect with people around the world. This is a moment when language truly becomes part of your life. So remember, improving your English fluency does not require expensive courses or perfect conditions. What it truly requires is daily practice, curiosity, and patience. With tools like ChatGPT, you now have the opportunity to practice speaking whenever you want, about anything you want. Your progress will not happen overnight, but every conversation you practice today brings you one step closer to fluency. Stay consistent, stay curious, and keep speaking. Little by little, your English will become clearer, stronger, and more natural. And before you know it, you will be speaking with confidence, sharing your ideas freely, and enjoying the powerful ability to communicate in English. If you enjoyed this story and want to improve your English and your life, make sure to subscribe to the channel and join this learning journey with us. And watch the next story on your screen to continue improving your English.